Hi, my name's Courtney and welcome to our Tormey Street project. The brief for the kitchen and laundry was to create a light and airy feel while modernising the spaces. The kitchen was transformed to include additional storage and floor-to-ceiling joinery to create height in the compact spaces. We integrated the appliances and streamlined the design for a functional and clean, homely feel. Aesthetically, we opted for a white palette paired with warm timbers and fluted KitKat tiles. For consistency, we used the same finishes throughout the kitchen and laundry. The laundry is a hybrid space and was designed not only as a utility space, but also as an informal bar with a servery window. The brief for the bathroom and powder room was to completely reimagine the spaces. In the bathroom, the layout was changed to include a wall to divide the space and create a walk-in shower. We included lots of storage in the ensuite with a large vanity and custom shaving cabinet. Aesthetically, a soft earthy palette with an Australiana feel was chosen. We paired light greys and soft greens for an inviting and serene feel. We carried the same soft green palette through to the powder room for consistency. The space is highlighted with marble tiles and brushed gunmetal tapware to match the rest of the renovation.